Welcome to Easy Watch, and if you can let your imagination run away with your dreams, you will experience just how complicated watch engineering can get. And no other piece showcases this more than the Jaeger-LeCoultre Master Compressor Extreme Lab 2. Over 600 parts, this watch is seriously complex. A sizable 47mm case in rose gold and a black zirconium ceramic bezel. Turn the watch over and you'll discover a rectangular, ergonomically shaped caseback. But don't stress, it's still just a watch. In fact, a highly sophisticated chronograph watch. Powered by caliber 780, an in-house self-winding movement with a fully integrated chronograph, with its jumping minutes counter at 12 o'clock being the most fascinating feature. Innovative, push a crown to select winding, GMT or date and time setting, with the date display at 3 o'clock, GMT or second time zone function via a short gold ascended hour hand, and a peripheral ref counter like power reserve indicator that changes color from white to gold as the movement loses power on its 60-hour reserve, and a stop second slider on the left. Interchangeable rubber strap with a double gold pin buckle. You saw it on Easy Watch, now get it on Top Watch.